I'm telling you, it was totally nuts up there. But you survived the fall. You must have been favored by the gods. Your magic is seriously depleted. It means you won't be able to fly for a while. Tell me, who was it who hurt you? Look at those claw marks! Was it the Untamed? Just as you said, when you fought the Wraiths in Illusia, the surging spiritual power was so intense that its waves reached the center of City of the Plume. The trees in the entire city groaned in pain. He who tied the bell should take it off. Your quest begins with these sapling man-eaters. By the woodland gods, your good deeds will be remembered forever. Remember, magic is a force of nature and cannot be rushed or fabricated, like those foolish human seekers like to do. Allow me to show you some moves that you can use to defend yourself when you need to. The Seeker's path is marked by gain and loss. All things can be found within. What happens then is decided by your nature, or maybe your fate. On the eve of war, your body bruised and broken, unsuited to battle. And yet, heaven holds both sun and rain. The moon waxes and wanes, and the Seeker must learn. The Elder of City of the Plume just sent for you. I've asked a horse merchant to escort you. He's waiting for you by the entrance. You must go now.
Greetings, noble and graceful winged elf, descendant of the gods. How can I, a humble human merchant of no significant accomplishments, be of service?
Hail, Seeker. May the woodland gods guide your way. I've been here for a long time and seen travelers of every sort, but a wingless winged elf traveling the road like a common human merchant? Well, you're probably the first. Oh, it was that human horse merchant who told you, wasn't it? Ever since he arrived with his herd, there have been all sorts of disturbances. We should never have broken the 1,000-year-old vow to allow outsiders into City of the Plume. you've got a point. Anyway, you could look for tracks down by the river. Our patrol saw a large shadow down that way. Maybe it's the monster the human horse trader spoke of. What's going on? You find any clues? I knew it had to be the Wraiths. They're oddly persistent. By the way, we're allies with General Zephyr from Archosaur City now. He sends us reports regularly. If you want to read them, you can find them on the giant treehouse in the center of our city. Now that you know all of this, can you help us check the newest correspondence that arrived from the General? Didn't open it? You're a cautious one, unlike those untamed who go rifling through people's correspondence without permission. The letter has been magically sealed.
Wraiths have overrun Archosaur City? Of course the puny humans could not hold it. Tell the Elder at once. I will check our defenses and make sure we don't go the same way as our... Greetings, young seeker. May your wings flutter gracefully in the breeze. What can I do for you? That's right. I've heard about the Wraith attacks. We have strengthened our defenses. But we can't eliminate the Wraiths alone. I've dispatched scouts to the passes on the outskirts of Archosaur City to keep more hostiles from pouring in. As for those already Remember, teamwork is always the key to victory. Before you confront the Wraiths, put on this refined legacy equipment. It will boost your magic for a time, although there may be certain side effects. Get in. Time to go, young seeker. I have opened a portal to Arkosar City. May your arrows never blunt.
You're hurt. Let me heal you.
The Hydra might have been driven back, but that's not going to stop the Wraiths. Seekers of all races must set aside their differences and join forces if the city... You okay? You look a bit off color. Oh no! Your magic is depleted, and the power crystal you just took for an energy boost backfired. Not to mention that the equipment you're... Go and find the Elder. Get him to take this equipment off you. Then have a rest and recover your magic.
Even if an alliance is formed, the Untamed are naive, and humans can be fickle. The road ahead will be difficult. The Winged Elves will need to take a leading role. I was going to give you this legacy equipment, but I guess it might just be too soon. You lost a bunch of magic in the Wraith ambush. Now the Battle of Arkosar City has severely damaged your chi. You need to take a good long rest and take better care of your magic in future. This battle armor was forged by our very best in the last 1,000-year war. It's blessed by the gods, and at this moment, you need it more than I do. Take this armor. From today, you are the sharpest arrow of our winged elf race. The dark power of the wraiths has reached even the creatures in Songbird Woods. Thankfully, our potion masters know how to make a medicine that dispels evil. Please, go and help.
Our clerics possess the ability to heal and dispel evil, as well as use the secret formulas that can... The Elder has asked me to prepare a holy panacea, but I'm missing the main catalyst, which unfortunately is beyond the reach of all but the most powerful warriors. Hey, can you help me out? Born in cold waters, absorbs nimbuses from the sun and moon, more lustrous than... Serenity Crystal is ground into powder and combined with other components to bring about a sedative effect on evil spirits. It's often used in evil-dispelling compounds. The crystal is very frosty in appearance and can freeze the flesh of those. Once you have it, you can get the Swordsmith's Apprentice to grind it down for you.
Wow, the Serenity Crystal. The Potion Master sent you, am I right? Please wait here while I grind it down. My pleasure. Actually, I need your help too. My master is looking for ore at Lake Plume. He wanted me to bring him some purifying stones before sunset, but I'm totally slammed right now. Could you help a brother out? Haha, you seekers always follow through. Like one of my human buddies likes to say, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. Those snouted cubs outside City of the Plume like collecting purifying stones. Find them. Hey, I noticed this aura radiating from between your eyes. Am I right in thinking you don't know how to cycle your internal energy yet? It can really help novices like us.
Tap here to open the function menu.
I'm worried. Go and take a look. It can't be allowed into the village.
Close call. If not for your efforts, Bamboo Village would have been done for. Your BR is ready for upgrading. Go and find Enlightenment Guru. He will help you.
There you are, Seeker. You have come far. The gods were right to choose you as their divine vessel. Divine vessel. From ancient times, the gods have chosen a few exceptional seekers to serve as their divine vessels, granting them extraordinary spiritual power. Great heroes of different races all started out as the ones chosen by the gods. You may be chosen, but your BR is beginning to grow. The road of cultivation is a long and difficult one. The price that must be paid to pass the gate separating life and death and reach the realm of immorality is beyond more. The road of cultivation is divided into stages. Base-inspired, attuned, blessed, nirvana, frosted, savvy, awakened, and enlightened. Once enlightened, the seeker gains glimpses of divine mysteries. Your foundation is strong and you are ready to begin your journey. If you pass the... Recently, something strange has been happening in the waters around here. The aquatic creatures have become restless and even started attacking civilians. Some people have reported seeing... I need you to investigate what's going on underwater. A winged elf hermit outside the city is also looking into this. Report any findings to him.
it be?
Chadwick? Can it be you? Life is already so hard. Why would you haunt us in death?
It seems the Wraiths have built an evil tower underwater to control the valiant soldiers who died nearby. The tower controls The monsters accidentally brought Chadwick's hairpin to the underwater area, which is why